Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today video, I think as a surprise, but I choose to make this video because there is so many people they ask me the this question. It's how can I downloading the video on the Twitter or X? I get the many message inbox. That's why I decided to make this video. I think the many people they don't know how they can get the video from the Twitter or X. So when you see here, or for example, this video, there is no button for download, and then they ask me. They try to using computer, they try to using smartphone, but there is no any button. But some people there, sometimes they want to get in the video from the X. So I think because right now, according to the social media, the according to the world, the movement, the speed of the earth, everything. The social media is very, very important. So they need to get this video. Um, I don't think uh, they don't know. They think it's so hard, but there is another option. So uh, let's show you how you can do it. It, it's easy to use downloading the video from X using computer or smartphone. So uh, let's start. The first thing you have to do is come on this button, share. First, you must go to the profile on the who posting the video. For example, here Elon Musk posting this video. You see, is not shared by anyone. So you come on this one, and then you go to the share, and then copy link. After the copy link, you have to go to the Google. After go to Google, you need to up triple S and Twitter. After you see Twitter video download, open it. You see, after this one, you have to pasting your code, your link, just putting the link and then press download. It is easy, it is safe. I think it's so good. I think you like it. The next one you have to choose the this size, HD video, this one, converting to MP3. Sometimes it's depending on what you want. So you can pressing on this one, HD. Yeah, close this one. Advertisement already you see is downloaded. When
Get
you
paid.
go, you open.
But Doge, I think great progress has been made. We're talking about cutting
You see,
over $1 trillion
that's it.
of waste. We're talking about waste. We're not talking about,
Think
we're going to love and
if you
cherish Social
getting
Security,
how
Medicare.
you make this video, okay? I think like now you know how you download this video. You download any video from the Twitter easily. It's easy and its accuracy. I think thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video. First of all, before I leave, make sure you make subscriber and make share for this core video. Uh, anything you want. By the way, most of them I'm loaded about the electronics, but it's not only about electronics and IT. It's okay. Anything you want about that, you can put it in the comment. I can do it for you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.